This video is brought to you by AJ Productions Limited, Hamilton, New Zealand. This tutorial is on setting up a UOVision cellular model camera. UOVision cellular cameras send photos and/or video clips via a cloud server called LinckEazi. The LinckEazi platform includes a mobile app, plus the LinckEazi web portal, where you can control and update these cameras remotely. In this video, we will access the LinckEazi platform via the web portal. However, this same process can be done on your mobile phone by downloading the LinckEazi app to an Android or iPhone from your app store. To access the web portal, in your web browser, type in www.linkeazi.com. That is www.linkeazi.com. If you are a first-time LinckEazi user, go to the bottom and click Sign Up. Follow these steps to generate your new account. Type in a username. The username allows 6 to 20 letters, numbers or symbols. Next, add your email address. Once you have applied your email address, click on the orange Get Verification Code. This will send a 6-digit number to your email, which can take up to 1 minute before reaching your email. Once you have received the 6-digit code, apply it here. Set a password. Then confirm that password. Agree to the terms and conditions and put a tick in the box. Finally, click Sign Up. In the next video, we will show how to add a camera to your account.